Hi, I'm Joshua Finn from J&H Aerospace, and this is the Incentsitive Limited Pennyplane. What you're about to see is some flight footage of this airplane flying at a recent contest. This is actually the prototype we built. I did build it super light, picked out some really good wood for it. So the production models are a little bit heavier, about 4.5 grams or so, as opposed to this one that came out right around 3.1, 3.2. And with sanding, with careful sanding, you can get down pretty close to that. The airplane in the video actually that was part of about a 9.5 minute flight. I've done over 10 minutes in Category 1 with it. In a high ceiling, even a heavier one is going to be capable of well over 10 minutes. So I hope you enjoy the flight demo and check it out on our website. Kits are available and shipping right now from jhaerospace.com.
Go.
It's almost time. I'm working on next year's calendar. I'll start it.
So if nothing else, it's a really entertaining launch. And watch her run like a scalded cat. There you go. Start climbing.
I'd say it was just about perfect.
And burn off a lot of energy at the front, and now she's nice climb. A lot happier. Funk.
We got one week later because it's 19
Wow, a decent steer. Didn't actually get it where you wanted it to be, but it was a decent steer. There we go. More like it.
year by year.
You made the flies. What's that? You made the fly.
Strikes me as
Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.